Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about the resiliency in cloud computing. So let's get started. First we have the introduction of what is resiliency. It's introduction of resiliency. So resiliency in cloud computing is the ability that all the services are available to the user even after the system failure. So it is different from the reliability where reliability focus on normal operations and resiliency focus on maintaining services when if failures happens. uh, Downtime can cause financial losses and user dissatisfaction, so resiliency is important for business continuity. Now we are going to understand architectural foundation of resiliency. Cloud distributed first is distributed computing, virtualization, parallel models, and fault tolerant scheduling. In distributed computing, workloads are separated across many nodes to eliminate a single point failure. In virtualization, workload can be moved to a healthy server quickly. In parallel and concurrency models, thread programming runs multiple threads. Task programming splits workload, and map reduce processes data in parallel chunks. Um, in fault tolerance, for failed task is a task are automatically reassigned. Means if some tasks are failed, then it will automatically reassign to it. Reassign. Third is techniques of resiliency. Replication, checkpoint and rollback, auto scaling, the load balancing. These are the techniques of resiliency. In replication, data or services are duplicate across servers or regions. In checkpointing and rollback, applications save progress periodically so they can restart from the last checkpoint. Auto scaling automatically adds or removes resources based on demand. Load balancing distributes traffic evenly and prevents overloads. Now we are going to move on operational strategies of resiliency. First is redundancy, failover systems, backup and DR, and business continuity. In redundancy, there are multiple copy of system and resources. In failover system, automatically redirect workloads during failures. If failure occurs, it automatically redirect the workloads. In uh, in backup DR, regular backups plus regular strategy with regular strategies. In business continuity, formal plans tested regularly for a real crisis. Now we are going to move to learn active actors versus active passives. In active, all religions work together and serve traffic at the same time. And in active passives, one region active, another one waiting as a standby. Now we are going to learn about multi-region resiliency. Mm, in cloud computing, cloud in cloud services, cloud service run across two or more geographical locations like AWS Mumbai plus AWS Singapore. So this is the concept of resiliency. Now we are going to learn about the challenges and trade-off. First is high cost due to redundancy. Second is performance overhead from replications. Third is complexity in design. Fourth is human resource during recovery. And fifth is shared responsibility between cloud provider and customer. Now we are going to learn about provisioning in cloud computing. Provisioning first allocating and configuring resources to meet workload demands. Manual human setup require automated scripted APIs, orchestrating tools. Third is self-services and user provision via dashboard. Fourth is auto scaling, add, remove resources based on demand rules. Now we are going to learn about the provisioning pitfalls. First is over provisioning, second is under provisioning, third is key balance, fourth is orchestration. Assist management, also known as ITAM, IT assist management. ITAM tracks and optimizes assets like server software license. It helps in controlling cost, avoid shadow IT, ensuring compliance, managing software license, entire life cycle from a purchase to retirement. Now we are going to understand about the map reduce basics. Uh, MapReduce is a programming model used to process big data in parallel. Its key idea is divide a work, then used to do a parallel process, then combine a result. Dividing a work known as map and combining a result is known as reduce. Used for log analysis, indexing, ETL batch jobs, popularized for Google, widely implemented in Hadoop, fault tolerance, auto reassign failed tasks to other nodes. Map reduce phases. First is map, second is shuffle and short, third is reduce, fourth is here's some map. So for first we will understand the map reduce advantages. They are scalable, fault tolerance, and parallel processing. Now we are going to learn about the map reduce limitations. First is high latency. Second is inefficient for iterative workloads. Third is rigid structure. Um, Now we are going to understand cloud governance. Cloud governance ensures that the cloud resources are used securely and cost effectively. They have four pillars: cost management, security, compliance, and resource consistency. High availability. High availability means the system runs with the minimum downtime. It includes availability zones, load balancing, failover, and SLAs. Disaster recovery in resiliency. It Disaster recovery strategies restore IT services after even like cyber attacks or natural disaster. Uh, Key matrices are RPO and RTO. RPO stands for recovery point objective, maximum acceptable data loss, and RTO is recovery time objective, mean maximum acceptable downtime. So that's all for this video. Here are some key takeaways. You can read it. So thank you for joining me today.